Welcome back to my channel. I have got some more friend mail from my friend Laura. If you don't know who she is already, she has her own channel, FoodMakeupSkin, and I did get a chance to meet her recently in person, and I absolutely love her and adore her, and I think the world of her. Anyways, for whatever reason, she decided to send me more friend mail, and I just don't know why, but she is very lovely, and the product she sent, surprisingly, I don't have it in any other brand, and I'm thrilled. And it's also all skincare, which I will use. So let's go ahead and look what she sent. The first thing she sent me is some organic lavender oil. Oh yeah, and by the way, all the stuff that she sent me is from Sky Organics, because I do like it. She introduced me to them, but I actually really do like the brand. This right here is a therapeutic grade essential oil. It says no parabens, no phthalates, no silicone, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no petroleum, I can't even say that word, and no dye. I'm a big fan of lavender oil. I use this quite a bit. I like to make soap with this. It's really relaxing, and I do use therapeutic grade for anything I make, so I'm very excited about that. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm not ready to use it, but I am going to use it soon, I can promise you that. So then she sent me nourishing oil for hair and skin. This is organic extra virgin coconut oil. Okay, so I do have color treated hair, and it says if you're going to use it in your hair, apply a generous amount of oil to your dry hair and leave in for 30 minutes to an hour, rinse with shampoo. Okay, I'm definitely going to try that because my hair is obviously very processed, so I am curious to how that would do. If you guys want me to do a review video on that, let me know and I will do that. So let's look at the other stuff she sent. She sent me some castor oil eyelash serum. Let's see, this is 100% pure cold pressed castor oil, and it says apply 1 to 2 drops of oil onto a clean eyeliner brush and wipe off excess. So I have used castor oil before. I have not used this brand's castor oil, but I do know for sure if you use castor oil on your lashes and brows, it will help them grow thicker and longer. So I will be using that, and she was so kind to even send me a whole big bottle, so I will not be running out of that anytime soon. Okay, so she also sent me some fractionated coconut oil, lightweight body and massage oil. So I guess I could probably use this and this interchangeably, because I mean they're both, well, I don't know, they're both coconut oil. I think there might be some difference, but anyways, this is fractionated, and I probably will use that to moisturize. I love using oils on my body for moisturizing. It really feels good. And then she's got this other one. It says it's moisturizing oil for body and DIY. Now, when I've made soap, I sometimes will use almond oil in it, and I'll use it for mixing the micas and stuff if I'm putting color in it. But I do really like almond oil. I've not used it just by itself for a body moisturizer, but I think I'm going to try it. I think it might be really nice. Anyways, that is all that she has sent me, and I'm thrilled. So if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.